Hi, Tony here from Bath and Spare Parts again. Today we're looking at the Grohe Dal Conversion Servo-Set 43907PI0. Now this is the box with all the goodies. You do get a fill valve with it. You also get the bolts that go through the cistern, washer for the base of the flush valve, connections for the ball valve for your water connections, and the push knob. And there's a little chrome cover in there for the other connections. Got the flush valve itself. So this will come on the flush valve when you get it, but just to show you, where it's going. Just clips in these, the smaller ones. You see the ridges that hold it. It's literally like that. That's enough. So the first thing we do is put this long connection going through, right through. And as you'll see here, camera can see, there's lugs either side, cutouts either side. That needs to be pushed into those. This is the overflow part. This needs to be cut about 30 mil above water level, comfortable water level for that. This rod then slots into this other rod. I'm obviously not going to cut a brand new valve, but these will be trimmed off level with a push button in the cistern. So you can just see once it's all assembled, you've got your button in it. There's your flushing mechanism, so it's a short push for it. And just to let you know, there are pretty good instructions on the back of the box. They're not easy to follow, but I think you can make your way around them.